So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing every single specification of the newly released Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro with the quad rear camera design and just basically everything. So stay tuned till the end of today's video and let's get started. So guys, the number one key specification of the Redmi Note 8 which make it unique is definitely its rear camera. You are getting here a 48 megapixel main sensor with a 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel telephoto and again one additional 2 megapixel camera. So in total they feature a quad camera design and again it definitely is appreciated. It is not like the Redmi Note 7 or Note 7 Pro. Again, Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro was a ridiculous hit, or any other Redmi Note product from the Redmi Note 4 till the current Redmi Note 8 is definitely success and is going to be success because for the pricing of so cheap they provide you the lot more beautiful technology which you don't get with any other product. So well, this pricing, well, in India is going to be starting around the Redmi Note 8 is going to be starting for 10,000 Indian rupees and the Note 8 Pro is going to be starting for 13,990 rupees. So again, these both pricing are very reasonable. You are getting here a 6.39 inches of display. It's a Retina IPS display, just like any other Redmi Note product. And again, it will deliver the best or the finest picture quality to you. The processor here used is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, which again is one of the most industrial leading factor or one of the best processors to go for. Again, the front camera is of 13 megapixel. For this range you don't get 13 megapixel, you are stuck with 12 megapixel or as low as 8 megapixel, but you are getting 13 megapixel camera for price of 10,000 rupees. It is definitely appreciated. So the launch variant or the base model of the Redmi Note 8 is of 64 gigs internal storage and 4 gigs of RAM. Again, it is going to be featuring a hybrid slot, so you can add your memory card on in the smartphone. It is going to be featuring 4000 mAh battery, just like the Redmi Note 5 and the Note 5 Pro, and just basically all of the Redmi Smart Note products are basically in the range of 4000 mAh, and this is not again an exception. It is going to be coming with the Android 9 Pie OS and with a pixel density of 1080 by 2340 pixels per inch, which is like the industrial leading factor in the resolution department. And just guys, yes, it's going to be coming soon in India. After a couple of weeks we are going to be seeing it in the retail stores and everywhere. So again, this product will make a huge wave on the market, and again for the pricing of 10,000 to 13,000, 10,000 rupees for the base model, and at the max you get it for 12 to 13,000 rupees. And for the Redmi Note 8 Pro, it's going to be starting at 13,990 rupees and it will range up to 16,000 rupees according to few estimations. But again, you're getting such a great like a quad camera design, beautiful glass enclosure, wireless charging, fingerprint reader is just missing in this smartphone, but just basically everything in this smartphone is great. And as it's going to be missing in fingerprint reader, it is going to be replaced by facial recognition system. So overall, I think for 10,000 rupees this is the best smartphone to go for. It is soon going to be available. You can even do your pre-orders on the Redmi's website. And again, this is one of the most beautiful products to go for, and hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment that are you going to be purchasing this smartphone and what you think. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And